Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to crochet this beautiful tulip flower inspired Lipbalm cover. So first subscribe my YouTube channel, like, comment and share this video. For this video we need two color of yarn, crochet hook, scissors, crochet needle and some cotton. So first I am using purple color of yarn. Hold yarn like this. Here I am using 4mm of crochet hook. Make a slip knot. After making a slip knot, make 5 chains on top, yarn over, pull it through the loop, yarn over, pull it through the loop like this. After making 5 chains, insert it into the first chain and make a slip knot. Then chain 1 on top and continue making single crochet inside the circle like this. Total make of 6 single crochet inside the circle. After that we need to make a slip knot in first chain like this. Then chain 1 on top for next row. In second row we gonna make 2 single crochet in every chain below. Continue making 2 single crochet in every chain below until complete this round. Here my second round complete. Now slip stitch into the first chain. Then chain 1 on top for third row. From third row we're gonna make 1 single crochet in every chain below. Repeat this pattern until you complete the total of 14 rows on top. Repeat this pattern until you complete of total 14 rows. Here my 14 rows complete. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now we're gonna make chain on top. Yarn over and pull it through the loop. Yarn over and pull it through the loop like this. Continue making until you complete the total of 35 chains. Here my 35 rows complete. Now cut extra yarn with chain like this and secure it tightly in the end. Next I am using light purple color of yarn for making tulip flower. Hold yarn again like this. Here I am using 5mm crochet hook. Make a slip knot. Then 5 chains on top. Yarn over and pull it through the loop like this. Now insert it into the first chain and make a slip knot. Then chain 1 on top for single crochet and continue again making single crochet inside the circle. Continue making single crochet until you complete a total of 8 single crochet inside the circle. Here my 8 single crochet complete. Now slip stitch into the first single crochet. Look. Then chain 1 on top for next row. In second row we're gonna make 2 single crochet and we chain below. Complete this round with 2 single crochet and every chain. Here my second round complete. Now slip stitch into the last chain. Then chain 1 on top for third row. From third row we're gonna make 1 single crochet on every chain below. Continue making until you complete the total of 6 rows. Here my 6 rows complete. Now slip stitch into them and count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now slip stitch into the end and cut the extra yarn with tulip flower for stitching. Secure your work tightly in the end. Now fill the tulip flower with cotton. I will show you clearly in this video. After that, take your crochet needle, stitch it and make a crochet tulip flower shape. I will show you proper stitching pattern in this video clearly. After stitching, cut the leftover yarn. Again, take your crochet needle and join both parts. Lock it and secure your work in the end. Hide the leftover yarn inside. Here my crochet lip balm is ready to use, perfect for gifting. Keep your lip balm safe and dustless. Easy to find in your bag, so subscribe my YouTube channel, like, comment, share this video. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.